Anyway, good morning to everybody. We are gathered here today to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and to ask God to bless them so that they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Marriage is given to us for the full expression of love between a man and a woman, so that the husband and wife may cherish and delight in one another, comfort and help each other, sickness, in trouble and in sorrow, provide for each other in temporal things, pray and encourage each other, and live together faithfully in the length of their days. Sige po, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage to be contracted between these couples at ako contracted the wedding? One, very good, let us continue. Sige, so Jean, Jean. Are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? Okay, good. Ikamat, Rikitan, Are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? Very good. Do you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed? Yes. Okay, good. Sige, kasama ka na buwa. Tamagan ka Ricky, Rikitan, will you have Jean to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, and keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others? Be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? Yes, very good. Jean, will you have Rikitan to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others? To be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? Very good. Sige, atas ito. Mga kalisigan, alam niya yung ni Jean, and follow after me, bagam niya baga. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, with all that I am, all that I have, honor you. Follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Sige, sumama kayo ito, family, na naman tayo yung wish kayo magkasal. Thank you. O, David family. Una ka naman thank you baga. Jadi jangan tu business. Anak may tayo. May video.
As a sponsor, bilang isang pastor, at dapat problema yung parang din yung nga awad han yung masettle ang aming yabanag na yung ay tali pinapos Diyos. I-witness tayo, number 1 ni Mayor, kung tanong nyo, isingal na kayo, ngayon iti-presensya ti Apo, talaga away na kayo. So, ang problema yung maluwa, agkarag kayo, kidalan yung dagiti anak kayo, itinespiritual ng banag, at may bekas ka, kahit hanggang masayang iti, dahil ito yung pinagsasama tayo sa mga ni Mayor.
Thank you. Wish. Tayo.
Ikaw mo na ang paglalang magmita ko na, sa amin yung anak ko dapat paglalang magmita ko Kakaroon na nawagan tayo ng problema sa kanya. Kasi kung na sabi ako, yes. Kaya so, dito naman sa kakakaroon sa akin ako magkakpain na ito naman sa kakakaroon.
Thank you, Jess. Sa mga katutunan. Sige, paano after me, Ricky? Dan. Gaung di ima ni Jean, mga ima. I hereby take you, Jean, to be my wife, to have and to hold, to be one of heart, one soul, and one affection, from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until we be parted by death. By death. This is my solemn vow. Very good. Si Kama Jean, I hereby take you, Ricky Dan, to be my husband, to have and to hold, to be one of heart, one soul, and one affection, from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, until we be parted by death. This is my solemn vow. So ngayon naman, Ricky, Dan, hawak mo pa ito ano naman ang promise mo sa asawa mo, sa husband? Sige naman.
Sige na, patinggin mo eh.
Oo. Sige, ano promise mo kanya? Nakasabi pa.
Ayatin pa yung na ah.
Bakit mayayatin siya?
Okay.
Sige, si Kama Jean, ano ang promise mo as a wife?
May nakakaan sa mga responsibilidad ko sa'yo.
Very good. Sige, okay? By the virtue of the power vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witness, I, Benjamin Loren Maresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Vizcaya, therefore pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride. Okay, sige.
Okay.
Kiss, please. Ano yun?
Ano yung mga kayo? Ang anak. Okay, yan.
Ako naging witness, i-witness niyang firmata ito. Sige.
Pwede lang mabalin na ano kung isugat ka.
Labal?
Tubi, dilo.
Labal?
Pwede mo gawin ang
Number 1 dilo, officiating.
Okay na nga ka. Number 1 na yun. Automatic.
Actually, automatic na may sakmet ng official.
Automatic na officiate. Number 1 yun na yun.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Oh, picture taking tayo. Tipis na mo tayo. Ada. Sige yung cellphone. Doon na lang lagay yung cellphone. Doon ba? Okay.
Okay.
Sige. Ay, ito. Balikan ka na ni Pokya. Okay, okay. Sige, bilang.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3.
Oh, family member. Ikaw may tingin man ang arang ka po.
Always yes.
Yan. Yan.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Ninong. Sponsors.
Okay.
Mag-asawa na kayo.
1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3.
Oh, sige nga doon lang.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Ulit ka yung Damascus. Sige lang.
1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3.
Congratulations. Congrats.
Thank you, Mayra.
Sige. Umuwi. Sige. Thank you.